gentlemen, our next bout is for the GCO British Boxing title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Proudly sponsored by DS Plastering, EMPM Limited, Donovan Wynn, JMP Landscape, JDL Decorators, TSR, Tansleep and Repeat. Making their way to the blue corner, Kieran Jones.
Next up, we've got Kieran Jones from Wales.
Facing off against Marc. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Facing off against Marc from Tamworth. Oh wait, Marc, independent Marc.
It's an independent fight.
The one-man band.
Making their way to the red corner, Marc Trewartha.
Oh yes.
What an haircut as well.
Loving the outfit.
I'm more in awe of the haircut. Hopefully his boxing skills are as sharp as his mohawk. If so, then we've got a good one on our hands.
Introducing in the blue corner, he is flying out of Wales. His name is Kieran Jones.
Facing off against Marc the Shark.
And in the red corner, let me hear you make some noise for Marc Trewartha.
Yeah, this one's going to be a banger. Marc the Shark facing off against Kieran Jones.
Switch on straight away, Marc, yeah?
Round one.
Yeah, these guys look like they know what they're doing. They're feeling each other out. Good jab to the body from Kieran. There doesn't seem to be much power on these punches.
They're clean though, they're landing very clean.
Very clean, very efficient as well. Oh, nice left hook from Kieran Jones.
Great footwork from Marc though.
Yeah, Kieran seems to be waiting a little bit too long for me.
Really getting the angles Marc is.
Oh, very well timed over and right. Good left hook from Kieran Jones. He is sharp. Not wasting any energy.
Very effective with that turn.
Very efficient as well. Like I say, not wasting any energy. Waiting for the right time.
Oh, brilliant uppercut from Marc.
Stiff jab from Jones. Oh! Really good right hand as well.
And that's time.
Yeah, that was nice to watch. Very clean boxing from both fighters.
Oh my. Oh me. He said he can. I said he could. I gave him the assignment and he fully understood. He went away and came back and said it was so good, and now he's walking like a champion just like he should. He wanna win. He don't wanna lose. He kicks and punches, he got something to prove. He don't care about no scratch or bruise. He just wanna throw down them ones and twos. We're gonna keep it moving, grooving. Punch him in the beak, make him squawk like a toucan. Seconds out.
Seconds out.
Round 2.
Nice job to the body from Kieran. Whoa! Lovely shots from Kieran there.
Really good combination work from Kieran Jones.
Some fast hands that was.
Yeah, he's feeling himself now.
Looking very comfortable in there.
He is.
Great head movement there from Kieran. Marc's very good on the inside, isn't he, I think?
Yeah, that's where he wants to be.
Lovely shots.
A lot of Marc's shots have just landed on the gloves of Kieran though. Oh, nice body work. Oh, that right hand is like a homing missile. Every time he throws it, it lands.
Marc looking at him, saying, no, that didn't hurt though.
Kieran's boxing is clean. A lot of them landed to the gloves of Kieran Jones.
And that's time and the round number 2. Oh my. Much respect to my brothers out here. Yo, who wants a sweetie? Who wants a sweetie? Who wants a sweetie? Do you want a sweetie? You get a sweetie. Who wants a sweetie? You get a sweetie. You get a refresher. Yo, who wants a sweetie over here? Oh, I gave my boys over there. You get them for sure. He's having chips and a refresher right there. He's a hungry boy. Needs to grow. Yo, would you like a sweetie, young
Yeah, it's
man?
been a really
You get
good
one.
fight so far. Marc the Shark piling on the pressure.
Yo, seconds out. What round is it?
How are you, mate?
Round 3.
Let's go, Marc! Switch it up now! We've got to be fast! We've got to be fast!
Oh, turns him really well there.
Both fighters starting to turn it up a little bit now.
Kieran's footwork is really nice to watch.
Always thinking. Come on, Marc, go!
This is where Marc wants to be, on the inside. That's where he's having most success. Kieran seems to have an answer for everything Marc's got though.
Oh, that was clean. Caught him a bit there, that did.
Yeah, people heard that on the top row.
Marc coming back with his own though.
Good uppercut though from Marc. Marc's dropping his hands a little bit too much. This is why he keeps getting caught with that left hook.
And that's time, end of round 3.
Another really good round. Hard to score. Kieran with the cleaner work, but Marc is piling on the pressure.
Yeah. Kieran has landed some very clean shots in that round.
Seconds out. Round 4.
Come on, Marc, win another round of fight out. Jab back on the belly. There it is. Throw hands up, mate.
Oh, good lead uppercut from Marc the Sharp.
Marc really piling the pressure up now.
Again, Kieran's catching him with that left hook. That's the best shot Marc's landed so far. This has been a clinical performance so far by Kieran Jones. That left hook is money in the bank.
Clean body shots here. 10 seconds.
And that is time, and the round number 4.
I just want to give a special shout out to Loungers TV and everybody watching on CFS TV as well. If you want fights like this on a weekly basis, make sure that you download CFS TV. CFS being one of the fastest growing platforms for combat sports, with a lot of quality promotions on there. JackHammer being the cream of the crop.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 5th and final. Seconds out, round 5.
This fight's been brilliant so far. This has been the best one. Very technical. Oh. Good right hand to the body from Marc. Oh!
Good shot there from Kieran. Some great hands there. Both fighters really want this.
Kieran Jones is quality. What a phenom.
Oh, that was great, that was.
Beautiful work.
Fighter with Vaseline in his eye, I think. Kieran Jones has got a cut, real bad cut there.
Yeah, there's been 2 cuts, one on each fighter. Kieran seems to have come off a little bit worse though, as it seems. A clash of heads.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the GCO.
Say they'll call this off.
Yeah, Kieran is caught pretty bad.
Title, 5 rounds,
I don't think the
2
medics are
minutes
happy
each.
with this.
Yeah,
This is
fair
the
enough.
final round.
What a fight that was though.
Great fight.
That's a shame really.
Such a shame, really, that.
Yeah, that was a brilliant fight. I must say, Kieran Jones, cleanest boxer I've seen on JackHammer to date. Marc the Shark though with relentless pressure. That was a brilliant matchup.
Both absolute warriors.
Boxing bouts happening. Ladies and gentlemen, that boxing bout was fiery. And after
I know you agree though, saying that out.
ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these 2 warriors.
Well done to both
And
of these
after
fighters.
an accidental head clash, we go to the scorecards. Your winner by majority decision and your GCO British champion is in the blue corner, Kieran Jones!
Very well deserved win there to Kieran Jones. Landed the much cleaner shot. Big respect to Marc though.